Squirrels. Diverse species. There are over 200 species of squirrels, categorized into three main types: tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels. Sharp teeth. Squirrels have 4 front teeth that never stop growing, so they constantly gnaw on objects to keep them from getting too long. Remarkable memory. Squirrels have excellent spatial memory, which helps them locate the hundreds of nuts they bury each season. Communication. They use a range of vocal sounds, body language, and tail movements to communicate with each other, often to warn of danger. Flying squirrels. Despite their name, flying squirrels don't actually fly. They glide between trees using a membrane of skin called a patagium. Omnivorous diet. While mostly herbivores, some squirrels eat small insects, bird eggs, and even small animals if food is scarce. Speed and agility. Squirrels are incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and are skilled jumpers and climbers. Lifespan. In the wild, squirrels typically live around 6 to 12 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 20 years. Tail functions. A squirrel's tail helps with balance, serves as a parachute when jumping, and acts as a blanket in cold weather. Environmental role. By burying nuts and seeds that they sometimes forget, squirrels play a crucial role in forest regeneration and ecosystem health.